Hi everyone. When you have a LibreOffice Writer document and suddenly need that document into a Word format, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you a quick way to convert it. And this process keeps your fonts, images, and colors so your Word document looks just like the original LibreOffice file. To begin, go to the top menu and click on File. From the menu, select Save As. You will notice that this document has .odt extension, which is default format for LibreOffice Writer. Now, to convert it, click on the drop-down right here. Then, select this Microsoft Word option. Choose where you want to save your document and click Save. From here, select this option to keep the current format. And now, as you can see, you have a Word document file ready for you to edit, add, or remove anything you want. So, that's how you can convert a LibreOffice Writer document into a Word document.